Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can you send contracts through HoneyBook? I know that a lot of you are using HoneyBook to run your businesses, and you may be wondering if you can use it to send contracts to your clients. The answer is yes. You can absolutely send contracts through HoneyBook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'll also talk about some of the benefits of using HoneyBook to send contracts. Step 1. Create a new contract template. To create a new contract template in HoneyBook, go to the Documents tab and click on the New Contract button. You'll then be able to customize your contract template with your own information, such as your company name, address, and terms of service. Step 2. Add your client's information. Once you've created your contract template, you can add your client's information to it. This includes their name, address, email address, and phone number. Step 3. Send your contract to your client. Once you've added your client's information to your contract, you can send it to them. You can do this by clicking on the Send button. Benefits of using HoneyBook to send contracts. There are a number of benefits to using HoneyBook to send contracts. Here are a few of the most important. It's easy to use. HoneyBook makes it easy to create and send contracts. It's professional. HoneyBook's contract templates are professional and look great. It's secure. HoneyBook uses SSL encryption to keep your data safe. It's trackable. HoneyBook allows you to track who has viewed and signed your contract. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, can you send contracts through HoneyBook? The answer is yes. HoneyBook is a great tool for sending contracts to your clients. If you're not already using HoneyBook, I encourage you to give it a try. You can sign up for a free trial at HoneyBook website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use HoneyBook. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.